Hello everyone and welcome to Grinds Online Ireland. I'm Tara and today we're going to be going through completing the square. So our question today is write x squared plus 8x plus 6 in the form a multiplied by x plus b squared plus c. So when it's in this form, guys, it's called completing the square. And it's our rule and it's our trick to find what the number a is, what the number b is, and what the number c is for this formula here. And the way to do that is to look at the coefficients in front of the x squared, and the normal number here. So let's call the coefficient in front of the x squared p. Let's call the coefficient in front of the q, or in front of the xq, and then the normal one, let's just call that r. So in this case, we know p now is equal to 1, we know q is equal to 8, and we know r is equal to 6. Now to find a, b, and c from this p, q, and r, we can just simply say a must be equal to p, b must be equal to q over 2p, and c then, this is the trickier one, it must be equal to r minus q squared all over 4p. So if we go ahead and substitute in p, q, and r, we're going to get a in this case, well, that's just equal to p, so that's just equal to 1. B in this case is going to be equal to q, which is 8, all over 2 divided by p, which is 1. So that's just going to be 8 divided by 2, which is 4. And then finally c, that's going to be r, which is 6, minus q squared, so 8 squared, all divided by 2 by 1. So that's going to be c is equal to 6 minus 64 divided by 2. 64 divided by 2 is going to give us 32. So that's going to be 6 minus 32, which would be equal to minus 26. So we know C, we know B, and we know A. So to write it in this form, then all we have to do is substitute in A, B, and C. So we can then say x squared plus 8x plus c, that's simply equal to 1 multiplied by x plus 4 squared plus, or sorry, not plus, minus 26. And then we can get rid of that 1 if we want, because anything multiplied by 1 is itself. So we'll get x plus 4 squared minus 26. And if you're ever unsure, guys, multiply out the question, multiply out or square out that bracket, and you should get the exact same answer there.